In this video, we will learn about the table panel in GeoCanvas. The table panel shows a tabular view of the attributes in each shape layer. Each row in the table corresponds to a shape in the layer, and each column corresponds to an attribute. Here's the table of the shape layer containing the buildings in Chicago. It includes attributes like the name of the street where the building is located, the number of stories in the building, and the condition of the building. If we want to find the table row for a specific building in the map, we check the option to show only the selected shapes, switch to selection mode, and click on the building. For instance, the attributes of this building tell us that it is located at 505 North Lakeshore Drive, that it has 69 stories, and that it was built in 1967. We can also use rectangular selection to select multiple shapes at once and see their attributes in the table. GeoCanvas lets us filter the shapes in a layer based on their attributes. Some shape layers may contain thousands or even millions of shapes, and we might be interested in focusing on shapes that meet certain conditions. For instance, let's find all the buildings in Chicago that have more than 30 stories. We first select the attribute by which we want to filter, in this case, stories. We then indicate how to filter the data. In this case, we want all buildings with stories greater than the value for comparison, 30. After checking the Apply Filter box, the table will only show shapes that meet the filter condition. We can also highlight these shapes in the map just by selecting all the rows in the filtered table. The final result is a 3D map of Chicago showing all the buildings with more than 30 stories in blue. We can also filter the shapes by other attributes, like names. For example, we can find and highlight all the buildings in Chicago with a Michigan Avenue address.